Hello there and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. So I went to a couple different thrift stores this week and I found some thrilling vintage decor pieces to decorate my house with, and I cannot wait to share them with you. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So the first two things that I picked up go together. The first one is the small one, and it was $3.99, and it is this gorgeous canister. It is a false graph piece, and I bit the bullet with this. I have been kind of resisting starting this collection, but I see it all the time on Instagram. My good friend Jamie from Border Bananas has a gorgeous set, and I just couldn't resist anymore. When I saw these, I'm like, I'm totally getting them. So this one is the small baby one, and I think it is so pretty. I just love the pattern. I think it's so, I don't know, it's just got so much character to it, and I just love the design of it. And then I also found the large canister that looks like this, and this one was $5.99. Both of them in great shape and great prices, so I just could not pass them up. So I'm not sure where I'm going to use these, or if I even really needed them in the first place, but I totally was not passing them up. So this next item was a little spendy at $6.99, but I just thought it was so cool that I had to pick it up. It is an electric wall sconce that you hang on the wall, and I think it is so cool. Look at this. It is made out of milk glass, and I think that is so neat. It did come with the crazy looking cord on it that plugs into the wall. It was frayed. I could see bare wires. I'm like, so I just cut it off. I will rewire this instead. But I just think it is so cool. I think this will find a perfect place somewhere in my house. And I don't know. It's neat. I love it. So I had to pick that up. So the final item I picked up today I thought was super cool. It was $4.99, and it is a old silverware drawer set. I guess that's what you call it. It's supposed to hold silverware. It's got the little notches in it to hold like the different silverware pieces. But I just think it is so cool. Look at that. It is so neat. I love the little knobs on it. It's in a little bit of a rough condition. It's definitely going to need a makeover, but that is totally fine. And I just think it's going to look so cool once it gets a little TLC. So I am thrilled with this, and I think it'll be a fun thing to put, like, if you've seen my living room, I've got like a credenza area like right over here. I think it'll be cool in that area. I'll decorate it up, and I can store stuff in it, which will be awesome. Like my vintage handkerchief collection or something like that. So I'm not really sure what I'm going to end up doing with it, but it will get a makeover, and I think it's going to look fabulous. So I love that find for sure. So those are the items I found this past week. A small haul once again, but some fabulous fun things to share with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye now.